Alright, Maverick 27, you are clear to drop Fourth of Bay.
Fourth Bay, Maverick 27.
AirPod 3 as you cross 19 right, contact ground point 9er.
United 1238, you can just continue to the full length and just let tower know when you're ready.
Alright, thank you.
Go Maverick 20.
Still on tower, taxi via hotel, monitor ground point 9er.
Tower Thrive 988 with you, route of 5000 descending on a heading 260 to intercept final for the visual runway. 19 right.
Thrive 988, Las Vegas Tower, wind 0012, running 19 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 19 right, Thrive 988.
Tower, Maverick 14, drop.
Maverick 14, clear to drop Fourth of Bay.
Go Maverick
10 out, 26 left.
2717, good afternoon, caution turbulence, following a heavy Boeing 767, 2 mile final, wind 08012, and only 26 left, clear to land.
Clear land, 26 left, Southwest 2717.